Kulish one fibro te kane kolong kacing pentip nam ta ki nongel kai sports dengan play kane notice bangayo te Meghalaya game with effect 2nd 7 May 2022 moba kandon kacing ka Meghalaya game nadu ka artrik adu new trick me ajar ar te kane notice kolong nam ta ka selection trial nam ta ke is Khasi Hill team the categories kolong under 16 under 18 under 23 and above 23 years kajaka kolong hapo sai ni hu campus Shillong kajaka nam taban long eka Meghalaya game. The strength contingent of each association is 36 athlete and 4 official. The selection trial for Shillong Sport Association team is Khasi Hill team will be held at JN Stadium Polo. Namta ka is Khasi Hill team ka jingjit player kan long hapo JN Stadium Polo Shillong on the 8 April hak 4 April RFR kapor long new beje step adu khandai beje. Please inform your friends, circle and spread the message. Detailed event will be informed on the day of the reporting. Yak barok ke event kiban yelekai kan sapentip waktu kasngihi. Sar Amin, Sar Bining, Sar Don, Sar Robat dan Sar Krishan will look after the selection process. Ikni ki tar kin sape JP kaba selection process. Te anish pentip JP ba Meghalaya game ki event kin long beja short distance, long distance, bat ki high jump ki long jump kumta bet. Te kino ki badon interest kibadai napo is Khasi Hill ki sobha 11 ketika tarik belabu berkapor te kibayela ki under 16 under 18 shpin biang lepai ki certificate jong pi nang bakan nom don kono jing thot pi ke tosni under 16 under 18 under 20 ban penisha ba pi daya kata kategori and above 23 te ki event ngalaya tulpa long distance short distance and long jump high jump kumta hidater tekin sa batai bani ap ke tosni sa share lang namta gitu kibat don interest ka sports bedi kibadai napo is Khasi Hill kin sawana ketika tarik banjit peliar ladaki kwa ban represent napo ka is Khasi Hill team detang kinai Kulish one.